So I decided to get a new blender, and I browsed about the one to go for, and I keep seeing this Qasa blender, and I said to give it a try. So I contacted somebody that I know that sells these things, kitchen gadgets. I told her that I needed a good blender, and she equally advised me to go for this particular one, which I didn't doubt her, and I paid for it. So this just came in. You can see it's still sealed. I just want to unbox it together with you guys and also see what is inside, what exactly is inside, and how it works. So let's unbox it now. Okay, inside we have a manual. This is supposed to be 3 blenders. Okay, let me say something. I found it difficult to find a three distinctive, I think is what is written there, 3 distinctive 3 cups. I always see 1 or 2, but I said to buy this because of my baby, for me, in order for me to blend some purees for her with this particular one. Okay, so it's supposed to be a bigger one that is for tomatoes and all that, a dry one that is for egusi and all the dry ones. Then you can use this one for, let's say, blending purees and fruits. So let's see how it goes. In here we have manual, then we have okay. Now she tell me in the glass or plastic. I am more glass. Glass. She got the paper. Okay, so this is the man is heavy. This is heavy. Plastic. This is plastic. It's not glass.
It's glass.
This one is plastic. You like saying a glass? Okay. Okay, it has a warranty card. I have to keep this in for how many years? Seems like it's a, okay, I'll read this thing later. No, not this one. Okay, this one is the puree blender. Okay, it's plastic, not bottle. It's plastic, not bottle. Okay, this is the first one. This one is glass. So this is the double blender. This is the second one, and this is this. Okay, it has, this one is glass, this one is the stainless, and this is a plastic. Okay, one have to be careful. Okay, this one is the cover to this. Okay, wait, they cannot put a blend in here with this one. It's like we don't blend with this.
It's just like bottle after blending your juice.
Okay, no, you can also blend. See, no, you can also blend with it. Yeah, we'll try it, because see, you can, after blending, you can then pour it inside here. Yes. I think it should be a carry-on. Wait. Is it for traveling? To-go cup. This is a to-go cup. Okay, so let's keep going. Then this is the engine, the odogu of the odogus. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks like this is low. If you on it, this is low, this is medium, and this is high. Okay, then this is power on and off. Okay, this is blend. Then it seems like this works like this. We'll test it. We'll still make use of it to know how it works. This is for egusi, dry stuffs. This is for tomatoes and all that. Okay, then how do we do this?
No, this one.
Can't case made this one. Me pay good near. No, me pay good never. We need to figure out how it is done. Seems like no, this is for this one.
It has another thing.
I've been at this one. I have to look for a way because it's meant to be like this. It's meant to be like this, and like this. To go cup, it's 1 year guarantee, 6 blade multifunctional, 26,000 rpm max speed, 150,000 wax power max, 304 for the blending cup, heavy duty ball bearing, 2.0 liter 2 liter glass jar, and a to-go cup. Then how do we make use of this? We have to figure out how to make use of this particular one. Seems like we have to loosen something. I don't know. Seems like we need to bring out one of these. Okay. Then fix it here. Okay.
For fruit juice.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so this is it. You have to loosen this or even this. Let me see if you can. Yes, or even this. Yes.
That means it's more
Open this, let's try.
It's more preferable to lose this.
Yeah, it's more preferable to lose this, I think, because this is glass. Should be okay. So this is how to use this one. Then we'll show you guys. Okay, you can open the two. You can actually open the two. So we'll show you guys when we make use of it. Okay, stay tuned. So we just found out something. This one is specifically for this one. It's smaller than the hole, is smaller than this, so this is specifically for this particular one. Why you can only change this with this one. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let's trust that it will work so well. So my brother-in-law said we should blend this, but brother-in-law suggests that we blend this, but truth be told, I'm not trying it. You see this bottle? I'm not blending it for any reason, because what if I try to blend it and something happens? I've seen people do it, but I can't take that risk. I'll blend melon, blend everything blendable. Then I'll tell people how it goes. Definitely, once I'm blending it, I will video it and attach the clip to this. Thank you for watching. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Have you tried this before? Have you tried this blender? How did it work? Did it work so well, or it disappointed you? I'm crossing my fingers that it will work well, because the person that sold this blender to me, I know her, and she encouraged me to get this blender. I got it for 85,000 naira. That was last month or the last 2 months. Okay, so I'm just unboxing it now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. In here we have melon, crayfish, and a thickener known as achi. So let's see how it will go. So I feel the melon is wet. That's why it's getting, look at this, is coming like this, grinding well, but how will it's moist. So I'll just blend it in the liquid form. So I feel that is okay. This is nice.
For blending and the liquid.
This is nice. So finally I added water and I used this one because remember I added the thickener. That is actually crayfish and melon. So I think that the thickener, because it was wet, it made the egusi moist, the melon moist. So it wasn't giving the powdered form that was needed. Then we use this one. This is amazing. Like this is 100/100. So if you are considering getting a power blender and you of Qasa, I can tell you that you can go ahead and get Qasa. Qasa is a good blender. So far I just used it once and the outcome is amazing. Thank you for watching. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.